I'm Matt Pitt, I'm the Head of People Development for Veolia UK and Ireland. The advice I would give to any L&D professional, I guess the advice I've been given to the team that I lead in the UK is just to have a dream and do something that you have a passion for, but also make sure that you understand the business that you work for, understand their problems and understand how you can work with them in a pragmatic way to help them solve their problems. That's been the whole basis of our strategy over the last 3 years, to say, rather than just initiative after initiative after initiative, understand the nuances in different business areas, different business regions, understand their problems, speaking their language, but being their advocate, being their expert to understand this is what I can do to help solve your problem. I have a range of solutions available to you, which one works best for you and me, and then just work with the business and partner with them. You get far more buy-in from business leaders. When you're looking to them to get budget from them, etc., you're far more likely to get it if they can see that you'll want to work with them and you're not just forcing them to do things because you think it's a good idea. We've changed our cost model so that we actually charge the business for the training that they undertake, so that it focuses their mind, that they don't just say, I want you to run 100 training sessions with 4,000 people, which would mean that's all that my resource would do for the next 6 months and take them from anything else. They have to pay for it, which means that we get more choices to ensure that the right people are going on those programs. It focuses the director's mind because they've committed something to it, and it means that we're able, and it makes us more commercial, because actually charging them a price, it means that we have to do it for the best quality that we possibly can, so that our apprenticeships within our organisation know that if they're going to do an apprenticeship and my team are going to deliver it, it's going to be an outstanding experience. They're going to get the best quality than if they went into the external market. The same if you do an OD programme, but also the steps we've taken so that we can see the outputs of any programmes that have been worked, and how we've been incorporated into other decisions such as recruitment and other aspects that previously the learning and development team weren't involved in. I think the thing that makes me want to be different is the essential basic premise of wanting to make people be better at what they currently do today in a safe environment, in a supportive environment, whether that's somebody from, if you're entering the job market as a loader, if you work for my particular business, who's to say that loader couldn't make it as a senior director in the future, and allowing them the tools, either if it's basic English and maths, if they didn't have an education, to just giving them a route to become something that they might not have dreamt that they could. That's good for them, that's good for business, and that's good for the economy as a whole, and that's something that continues to drive me every day.